Welcome to the enlightening journey of the Being Whole course, where we will explore the path to achieving wholeness and balance in all aspects of your life. Being whole encompasses nourishing your mind, body, and spirit to create harmony and fulfillment. In this course, we will delve into the principles and practices that will empower you to embrace wholeness and lead a more enriching and purposeful life. Whether you are seeking to cultivate a deeper sense of self-awareness, enhance your relationships, or achieve holistic well-being, the Being Whole course will provide you with the tools, insights, and strategies to nurture every dimension of your being. Through introspective exercises, mindfulness practices, and actionable steps, you will learn how to integrate all aspects of yourself to create a genuine sense of wholeness. Join us on this transformative journey of self-discovery and growth as we delve into the essence of being whole. Explore the interconnections of mind, body, and spirit, and unlock the secrets to living a more harmonious and authentic life. Let's embark on the path to wholeness together through the Being Whole course.